Hello everybody, today I am making a Paloma, which is a drink I've never tried and certainly never made, but I really like the sound of it. It's basically like a longer margarita, but rather than lime, you've got grapefruit, although there is some lime in there too. Here is what you need. Your tequila, you need some agave syrup, some soda water, some salt if you wish to go for a salted rim. That's my dog wandering around. Marth, Bug, come in here please. Can you lay down? Can you just relax for a minute? 1 second, my dog's at my feet. Come in then. All right, so here's what you need. You need some tequila. You're not allowed it because you're tiny. You need some agave syrup, some soda water, some salt if you wish to go for a salted rim. You need some lime and some grapefruit and just a Friday evening attitude, or indeed a Saturday afternoon attitude, because I think this is like a sunny afternoon drink. Let's do it. First things first, you need 50 milliliters of your tequila in your shaker. Next, you need the same quantity of grapefruit juice. I'm a big fan of grapefruit. I think it's actually an underrated fruit. They're really tasty and very easy to squeeze. Do you know what I really like about grapefruit is it looks like it's going to be really firm, like a big old orange, but actually inside's quite squishy. I just appreciate that. Grapefruit juice going in. 15 milliliters of lime. Oh, I've got my little squeezer for that, that's handy. There we go. And in the same quantity, 15 milliliters again of your agave syrup. Next up, you want to ice your shaker. Now you don't need to shake this too long really, you just want to make sure everything is combined and nice and cool. And then leave that to one side for just a moment while you get your glass out of the fridge, which should have been chilling. Now, optional at this point, you can, if you want to, salt your rim. I love a margarita with a salted rim, so if you're going to salt it, get yourself a lime and just rub it around the edge like so. And then get some salt, and either use a plate or like I'm doing here, use the lid of the salt. And then simply put your glass in like that, give it a little twist, pull away. Next up, ice your glass. Then you want to strain your mixture over your ice. Oh, it looks good, doesn't it? Move my salt out of the way. And you simply top up with soda water and then garnish with lime. And then place your lime garnish inside like so. Now, if you want to, you can use a straw, and I'm going to put a straw in just because I had pretty copper ones and it looks nice, but actually I like to enjoy my salt in the salt rim. Some people don't, some people like it to sort of fall into their drink and enjoy it that way, but I'm adding it anyway, and I'm going to say cheers to my first ever Paloma. Fingers crossed I like it. Oh my god, that's so good. It's like a margarita, but with grapefruit rather than lime, and because it's got the soda water that tops it up, it's much longer, so much more refreshing. That's bloody incredible, I have to say. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you make one of these, let me know, because I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and happy Friday. Bye. Top up with soda water.